Apparently people from Newfoundland are called Newfies. I ain't sure about that, guys, okay? Taste the Rainbow by my boy Let's Turn Up. Okay, so you're coming in with your little grenadine, okay? So we can just be gentle and get that down in the bottom there. You don't want it to splash everywhere, guys. These layered drinks, you don't want it to splash. I mean, maybe a little splash is not bad because it creates more of a gradient sometimes, depending on the splash. So now I drop these in. Okay, now let us go. So we come behind again, this time ice. And we can hit it with some peach snaps, okay? 1, 2. We going weak down here. Come behind this with some pineapple juice. 1, 2. See what's going on there? Hit this in, shake up. I got all kind of foam in there. You see how foamy this is? Let's see what happens. I can run this down the ice now. Through the ice. You see what we're doing there, guys? You see that layer forming? Look at it coming up. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. If you want more of a gradient, now I've never done this before, but I think if we spin that around like that, we could get something going on. You see the bottom? I'd flare up a little bit. Ice. Now we come behind with a bit of vodka. 1, 2, 3, 4, vodka some more. Okay, now we coming behind with my boy here, Blue Curacao. Curacao is an island somewhere in the Caribbean. I've been invited, never been, okay? Some dude invited me and then he stopped speaking to me. Stopped returning my calls. Actually, he didn't stop returning my calls, he just disappeared. So I've been invited to Curacao and also, what's the other one off of Canada, Newfoundland? Apparently people from Newfoundland are called Newfies. I ain't sure about that, guys, okay? Bang, I love this knife, man. This is just so sharp. Even if I lose my finger to this, I can't be mad because it gave me 6 good months. That's all one could ask for, 6 good months. Put a little piece on there like that. Come in with a little straw. Look at the foam, I foamed that up like that, guys, by shaking all the pineapple. And guys, we're going to end with a little cherry on top. Place it delicately right there. This is a very delicate drink. Anyway, as always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. And look at the colors in this. That's my boy, man. You know what I mean? Like these dudes, they came up doing stuff with us and that's a fun one, all right?